How much further?
Through the gate, then we're done.
You always say that.
This time I mean it.
And if they find us first?
They won't. Keep walking.
You two again. Thought you'd left.
Leaving today, after this.
Heavy iron. You sure?
I'm sure. This ends it.
Everything you just saw was made with a single Claude skill and one template. 9 reference sheets total. Plus, at the end, I'm showing you a massive credit saving hack so you never pay double to continue a video again. If you want to follow along, the Claude Skill and the Notion document with all my templates are free in the description below. So now, let's get into the whole process. Everything starts in Claude. Write a short description in a few sentences detailing what you want to achieve. For my project, I wrote a story and here is the prompt. 2 brothers are on the run and they walk into a desert marketplace, hoping to finally be done with it. You can read the full story from the prompt if you want. Below the story, provide a prompt telling Claude exactly what you need. I prompted it by saying, this is a story for Seedance video generator. I need to create 9 different sheets based on it in a 16:9 aspect ratio, with a style that looks 1000+ years old, the location, the clothing and overall aesthetic. Next, click the plus icon to open the menu, go to your skills and select the concept shield builder skill. Once the skill is selected, press send. Claude will process the story and generate your 9 different reference sheets. It generated an Alex character template, a Ryan character template, and a Ryder character template. It gives me a prompt sheet for every single subject in the story. Copy the prompt for a first character template, go over to ChatGPT and click create an image. Paste the prompt from Claude and press send. ChatGPT will create an image directly in Sheets and completely ready for Seedance 2.0. You can do this for all of your subjects to get your baseline images. If you're not satisfied with any of your generated choices, you can easily iterate on them. For example, look at the first character Alex. You can simply tell Claude to change his outfit to red and green. You can also ask him to give him longer hair and make him look bulkier. Specify which prompt you're referencing, like a prompt 1, and press send. ChatGPT will update the character to feature a different outfit and completely different look. You can reiterate like this for the all 9 prompts until you get your 9 desired images. If you already have your desired images, but you want them to make them more consistent inside the sheet, you can do that too. Upload your existing images back into Claude. I uploaded 2 of my own images, which were an environment sheet and a vehicle. Select the concept sheet builder skill again. If your environment is something in between outside and inside, you can be specific in your request. I told you to create an exterior environment and a vehicle. Press send and Claude will craft 2 different sheets based on your specific request. Once that is done, scroll down and copy the prompt. The most important thing here is to upload your original image alongside the prompt. This ensures exact consistency across your generations. I added this inside the marketplace prompt and press send. You will put this exterior environment image into a sheet and it will give Seedance 2.0 a better spatial awareness. The final result holds up well and maintains the consistency. That process covers the environment images created from a base image. It also covers the character crafted from the default Claude prompts. Now, we can move over to prompting directly for Seedance 2.0. Here is the exact prompt format I used. Upload your reference images and make sure they're named clearly. This makes it much easier to tag them correctly in Seedance 2.0 later. I put some basic instructions outlining how the AI should structure the scene. I have the story right here and everything else is a direct instruction for AI. I use specific template for this, which I will give you too. You just need to write in your unique story. Based on that template, I told it to write the first 15 seconds of the scene. You can set a total runtime to whatever you need, but I set mine to 50 seconds. I instructed Claude to write the clips for the entire story. I selected Fable model since it's the best available right now and pressed generate. Once it's finished, click on the generated document to see your clips. Scroll down to review all the clips it drafted for your sequence. If you want to reiterate any of the actions, copy the first clip. You can type instructions to change the specific shot timing. For example, I told it to change the shot from 2 to 4 seconds so characters remain on the road before entering the marketplace. The AI will change the pacing for that specific clip based on your text. I also noticed that the prompt was calling for 2.39:1 aspect ratio look. I told it to change the look to a 16:9 aspect ratio instead. You can also prompt it to fix minor details like this one. Once you're happy with the changes, copy this finalized prompt. Notice that the prompt includes a specific text for the road, the marketplace, Alex, Ryan, Victor, and Hammer. Those are all required tags for the first clip. The second clip requires completely different text, like the sword and the enemy. Different references must be tagged in different clips to work properly. Go over to Dreamina, paste the prompt, and add your subjects. Scroll down the prompt and tag every single reference exactly as it appears in the text. Whenever it's tagged and ready, adjust your settings to 15 seconds. Press generate for the first clip. Once the clip is generated, I will show you a trick to save credits when continuing the video. Look at the second clip prompt. It says the scene continues from the first video and explicitly tags that video. If you add a full 12-second or 15-second video as reference, the credit price jumps significantly. A 15-second video costs around 500 credits to continue. Instead of using the whole video, cut the video down to only 4 seconds using your editor, which is like 2 scenes. You just need a small piece of the video for continuation to work. Upload the shortened video back into Dreamina. Now, if you add a 4-second video instead, you save almost 200 credits per generation. The price drops to 325 credits. You can continue the video from here and tag everything exactly the same way. This is how you continue the video smoothly. That is also how you save credits when continuing video inside Dreamina. This specific method works on Dreamina, but you can test it on other platforms to see if it works there as well. If you want to see more AI workflows like this one, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.